Welcome to the Engine View, and today we're going to be interviewing Graham Miller, a supervisor of Audi car industry.
Yes, and I will be walking you through how robotics are currently helping the automotive industry.
What are the basic steps to developing a car?
Well, first, the body of the car ready. Then we paint it, and the robot puts the wheels, doors, roof, front, and back on the body, and we are ready to sell it.
Take me through all the steps and details.
So we start by fully completing the body in the front and back.
What is the next part?
Next, the robot puts the wheels on.
How do you do that?
The robot takes the wheel off the rack, then puts the wheel on the body, then drills the wheels in place.
What about the other parts?
Forklift puts the doors in place, then the robot welds the doors onto the car.
Anything else?
We have one more thing, the windshield. The robot installs it on the car, and then we can sell the car.
In summary, how do robots help with the car manufacturer?
They help by increasing efficiency, quality, and safety, while also having cost benefits and flexibility benefits